Hello guys, I'm going to show you a difference between sumifs and dsum function. Probably if those who don't know, dsum is a database function which will help you write your formulas in most easiest way, and it can handle a lot of criterias and filter conditions. If you take an example, I have a data which looks like this. So I have a category called office supplies, and if you look at it, we have sales, profit, quantity, orders and discount. So what we want basically is we want to sum the total sales based on some condition, which is the category should be office supplies and then the quantity should be greater than 1500. Okay, let's go ahead and see how we can do that with the help of dsum. I have defined what the filter criteria over here. So is equal to dsum, open the bracket. So first thing, the first parameter is database, so which means where is your data available. I would simply go ahead and select my data from this sheet, comma. The next parameter is field. So on which field do you want to perform some operation on? I would select sales and then criteria. All you have to do is just select your header and values, close the bracket. As you can see, the results are ready. It's somewhere around 10,62,341. So this is how we can use dsum function to define a dynamic range of filter conditions. Hope you like this. Thank you and have a nice day.